So Dana.
Look at that daddy horse.
Give me some. Swamp donkey.
Give me some. That's Rekt at its finest. Look at that joker. Whoop! Alright, the wee man and I fixing to get ready to go fishing. We're gonna go do us jump in the water, cool off from the day's work a little bit. Then we're gonna go fishing for a while, see if we can catch us a bass or two. Catch y'all over there at the pond. Yeah, my tackle box must be over there. Nope, here it is. Right here. I still gotta put some of my stuff away. Look at all them cool looking baits. Yeah, we're gonna see if any of them baits are worth a darn tonight, I reckon. I got it, Check out that little yard turd. The little joker thinks he's a man, I guess. Everything out of the way back here. There we go. I'm gonna put all this stuff in. I think I might need me a bigger tackle box. Yo, where we going?
Go fishing. Go to the store and grab some baits.
Some baits.
Some more baits, I should
How
say.
you like them cool get up? Yours truly. Check that mess out. Right there's a cool boat. We fitting to go burn down the trailer park. Motor around that thing. Here you go, Blue, right there. We out here at country. We fitting to go in here and see if we can find us some baits.
Yeah, I got one from here.
So here we checking out some fishing baits. We're gonna see what we can do. Talk to me. What we up to today?
Drinking some Red Bull.
Red Bull.
Gonna go fishing. Catch us some bass, hopefully. Got this little John boat with a little motor on it. Gonna put around this pond and see if we can land us some in the boat.
Hey, what's up? We back again for another episode of Rekt TV. Gonna do a little fishing tonight. We got Leon behind the camera tonight. He's probably gonna do some fishing too though. And Ira's over there. I got swim trunks on. Y'all going swimming or what?
Heck yeah, man, I'm gonna go get wet for a second.
They didn't tell me until we were right here at the entrance that they might do some dipping in the pond. So as you can see, I didn't come dressed for dipping.
That's all right.
Be skinny dipping,
We
but
can
that's
go
about
dipping.
it.
I don't know what they're doing, man. I guess they're over there scaring the fish before we get there to fish, huh?
That hot old summer sun make you beg for your next breath. So you best be on the creek bank laid in the shade, chewing on a hickory twig. Pass that bottle, I'll have me a swig. I ain't got a lot, but I think I got it made. In the shade. I'm just laid up here in a country state of mind, catching these fish like they're going out of style, drinking this
Okay.
Feels heavy for some reason. No, it's clean. Yeah, she's nice and clean. All right. They ain't liking what we got today.
Got one. Nice, 2 feet. Grab the camera.
I'm videoing with this thing right now. Pull it in.
That's a horse. This is a bigger fish than I've ever caught.
Ooh, let him cut that wire. Oh, he's a nice one.
Oh,
You bring him in the net.
I'm trying.
Here.
oh yeah.
Good freaking job.
Woo!
Look at that sucker.
That's a sword on his side. Look at that.
That's what I call bitching, man. Woohoo! Freaking A!
Get him out, hold him up.
How about that? That's the biggest bass I ever caught, man. I don't even know what to do with that joke. Look at that son of a gun. Bruh.
I would guess 3.2.
Probably something like that. Yeah. He swallowed that thing. Put the mojo on him, man. Yeah. How about that?
Look at that.
Big Daddy. Now let me see if I can get that crazy hook out of his mouth. Look at this. Stick my whole hand down his crazy mouth.
You need these?
Come out here, look at that.
Well, we've been out here fishing.
Got him on a little old wormy.
We've been fishing out here for probably about 2 hours,
It's zeroed out.
and I ain't really been having no luck.
Right on, on his bottom lip.
Changes up, puts a
That way
little
your
purple
fingers
worm down there on it. And look at that.
£0. Yeah, it ain't reading her.
What?
You want to use mine?
Yeah.
Mine's brand new.
Yeah, let's see what we got, because this is... So, what is up with the sores?
I don't know. Remember, oh, I forget what they call it.
Check that out. That's what I'm talking about. Rekt TV at its finest right there.
Show it over
There
here.
you go.
Woo!
Does it work now, Ira?
Yeah.
Okay, you got it.
Check that out. Ooh. That's what I'm talking about. Bro!
5.6?
Yep.
That's what he's saying,
Are you
5.8.
serious?
Uh-huh. I thought it was quite a bit bigger than 3 pounds.
Heck
Okay,
yeah.
come on, man. Hey, check my scale and just see.
5.8 is what he's saying.
Here,
Give me some right
do
there,
this
my
one
man.
Right here. Do this one right here, because that looks like it's about the same size as mine, and I can't believe it's 5. I mean, my scale's brand new. I just want to see is it lying to me. Yeah.
5.48.
Yeah.
5.5.
What was it? So it's close.
I like that hook.
Dude!
That's a hoss, GP.
Yeah! Alright, so we were out here fishing for like, I don't know, 2.5 hours. Came out here goofing off, trying to catch us some bass and stuff. Didn't do any other kind of fishing, but we I ended up catching a 5.5 pound bass, my personal best. Yeah, got it on the video. That was awesome. Caught him straight across the lake here, or the pond, whatever it is. And we ended up coming up, messing around with him, getting some pictures and everything, doing all the cool stuff, you know. And then we went back out, and I ended up catching a little 10-incher bass. We let him run back, but I'm gonna put this one in the freezer. He's gonna feed me well pretty soon. That's a wrap for today. We'll probably be around here doing another video sometime soon on some fishing or something. But Wee Man, Mountain Monkey, Edge behind the camera.